how to make a game pass in Roblox. Please donate on a mobile phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a stand with buttons so you can start accepting donations and please donate in Roblox. First, open roblox.com on any browsers that you have. You will see here continue in app or continue in browser and log into your Roblox account. Once here, request for desktop version, so just tap the three horizontal lines on the upper right. Once here, go to the top menu and select Create. Once here, you should see your place. Now by default, all Roblox users have a place, so all we need to do is select the place right there. Here, select the three horizontal lines on the upper left and select Associated Items. Select Passes on the top menu and select Create a Pass. In order for us to create a pass, we need to upload an image. Keep in mind that this image will be displayed on your stand and it also has to be approved by Roblox moderators. Next, we need our Game Pass name. This will also be displayed on your stand on Please Donate. Once done, go to the bottom and select Create Pass. In here, select the Game Pass that we just created, and when it brings us to the basic settings, here, select the three horizontal lines and select Sales. Now, we need to list that item for sale. Tap the toggle button next to the item for sale, and we need to list the price for this game path. Remember, you only get 10% of this amount because the 30% will be kept by Roblox. Once done, save changes. Once done, go to your menu again on associated items and you should see your Game Pass and it should have Roblox listed under it. That means it'll show up on your stand. Once done, open your Roblox app. Go to Please Donate. We walk up to an unclaimed stand. Simply tap and hold and you'll see the new Game Pass show up on your stand. And that's how to play Please Donate on a mobile phone. There you have it. And you can also change the text displayed at the top of the stand. Simply hit the little pencil button and type whatever you want. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.